Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with some happy mail. This special mail comes from Sherry S. And she joined my Christmas Memory Decks Challenge last year. If you'd like to see that, I'll link it at the end of this video. So let's open it up and see what she sent me. Again, thanks so much, Sherry. Oh my gosh, we have a card. I'm going to read that first and look at the way she packaged this. So I am going to put this box aside. Let's open up this beautiful card. Oh my goodness! I love birds, and look at this dimensional card. Did you make this? This is by Punch Studio. I love their cards, and I love this. All the beautiful, I think these are lotus flowers, I'm not sure, but I love these birds. So let me read this off camera real quick, and I'll be right back. Thank you so much, Sherry. Belated happy birthday. So Sherry is also a March baby, and I'll put the link to her Instagram if you'd like to check it out. So thank you so much. I am super excited to see what you sent me. I love this ribbon, and I love reusing them in my journals. So I'm going to put that. Those are gorgeous flowers. Isn't that beautiful? Now let's open it up. I'm so excited to see what you made. Wow. Hold on, guys. She has packed it so beautifully. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, guys, she has made me a junk journal. So one of the categories in my giveaway was a mini junk journal. But look at this gorgeous creation. I just want to show you. I love that cover, and look at this dangle. It's giving me the Zen vibes. That is so cool. I love this. This is so pretty, and I love the closure you picked with the blues and the florals. Sherry, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. So we have a bead dangle here. I love the colors you picked. These are beautiful. I love the amber color to beads, and we have like almost like a garnet looking bead there. And it has a little bulb pin. But let us do a flip through. Look at how she attached that. How amazing. There is so much talent here on YouTube and Instagram. Make sure to check out her Instagram as well. She's done some tea dyeing or coffee dyeing here, some stitching. This is so cool. And then we have a double-sided tag here. I love that botanical look. We have an envelope. I'm not sure if that opens. Let me check. It does. So we have a little tuck spot. Oh, I love this fish. Oh, that's so cool. And look at this paper that she's used. You'll have to tell me what this is. Is it a drafting paper? Oh, I love it. She's added some, look at those gold little speckles. That is really gorgeous. I love it. There's so much texture, and look at this one. It looks like it's a decoupage napkin. And again, how gorgeous are those flowers? Here she's created a button closure. Or is that a button? Is it a faux? Oh, it's a faux envelope, but how cool is that? So that goes over here, I think. Love that little floral piece. And I love this. She's run through some of this ribbon on this page. How fun is this? Again, I am just amazed at this part here with the blues and the gold. We have another cute pocket here with an adorable little paper clip, and I think it's a butterfly or a bee, and I love how you use these fabric. Let's see what's in here. Oh, how pretty. We have some die cuts with this beautiful vellum flower. My favorite colors are here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Let me put that back. What a fun idea to split your envelope and create these adorable pockets. So here we have another tuck spot with a beautiful tag. That is so pretty. I love this as well. I love the way you coffee dyed or tea dyed this. I love the splatter. That is so fun. We have our second signature and that gorgeous paper. I love this, and I love all the textures you've added. Here's one. It's a little checklist, and the fun part, while I'm putting my hand on it, it has a glossy finish, so I can use my dry erase markers, make a list, and I can check it off and erase it, I think. This is so cool. Look at this. This is so fun. And we have a little tuck spot with a mini envelope. How beautiful is this? I love the colors, the gold foil, and she's included some mini silver bead. Ah, that is so cute. I've seen those beautiful beads used in embroidery and really beautiful like saris that I've seen in the past. Now look at this. I love this vintage little paper bag with the ads. She's added another gorgeous tag with flowers. That is so pretty. I can journal on the back. We have this beautiful fan. Wow, and then we have this piece here. Let me see if it opens up. So she has a little closure here. And she's used the button as our little tuck spot for our, look at this, journaling spot. I love that. Here is the center of the signature where you see our wonderful dangles. Here are some of the other pieces on top. I love, these look like those volcanic rock beads. I love that. That's so cool. And I think she's used some wax thread, so that is so awesome. I personally use, I think I use lace thread for some of my signatures when I sew them. But how fun is this? And then we have another one of a paper bag. Another beautiful tag here to journal on. I love that. And let's flip through here. This is beautiful, Sherry. Thank you. And look at this. I really love how she used everything that you would probably get on your packaging. This reminds me of Raffy, what do you call it? Raffy, like little threads. I love the splatter. And look at this beautiful vellum pocket that she's created here with her little dangle. And you can use that as a label. So many fun pages. I am just amazed. And we have another signature. There are 3 signatures in this beautiful journal. She's used some washi tape this time and some gold trim. How pretty is this? And I love this stamping. That is so cool. We have some burlap and that mini little binder clip. This is amazing. I love another pocket here. This is so cool. I love it. And I love the texture again. This is the center of the signature for this one. We have another cute paper clip. Oh wait, let me see if I take that off. It flips out. How fun is that? And here she's added some of these beautiful flowers on top of that paper that I like so much. Love the stitching you've done here as well. What a fun idea, guys. I mean, there's so much inspiration in this beautiful journal that she's made. I love the fabric that you've picked. How amazing is this closure? I think I go like this. But here, once again, is this beautiful entry from Sherry S. Make sure to check out her Instagram. I will link it down below. Again, Sherry, thank you so much for this beautiful journal. I cannot wait to use it, and I will keep you posted and show you how I use this mini journal. But how beautiful are these beads? She made a beautiful dangle. Again, thank you so much, guys. Make sure to check out the giveaway playlist. There are so many wonderful crafters. You guys are so talented and amazing. Again, thank you for supporting my challenge. I'll see you again next time. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. Bye.